Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by canceling the active Apple Music plan so your account can change countries. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions. Find Apple Music and tap Cancel Subscription. You keep access until the current billing period ends. Make sure no family sharing plan blocks cancellation, and if payment methods are tied to another country, remove or update them now. Once done, verify you have no store credit remaining. Any balance prevents country changes. Once your subscription has ended, you can change your Apple ID country. Open Settings, tap your name, choose Media and Purchases, then View Account. Tap Country/Region and select Change Country or Region. Pick the destination country and accept terms. You must provide a valid payment method and billing address for that country, so add a local card or payment option. Make sure any active subscriptions or Apple TV/i cloud storage conflicts are resolved first, because those. After changing your country, open the Music app and subscribe to Apple Music in the new store. Pricing and content may differ, so confirm before subscribing. Make sure your library and purchased items sync correctly. Some content might not transfer between countries. If you can't change country, the main culprits are remaining store credit, active subscriptions, family sharing, or pending refunds. As a troubleshooting step, sign out of your Apple ID. Clear any store credit by spending the balance, then sign back in and retry the country change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.